Assalamu alaikum guys. Today I'm going to give you all a short brief description of all the commands or statements in the Hello World program. It's very simple in C++, and I think we should start now. So the Hello World program, on the left is a simple Hello World program, and there are many other methods, but we'll stick to this one for now. And so let's break it up. But wait, before we do anything, be sure to subscribe. The include statement. C++ has lots of libraries and headers that have commands to make it much simpler for us to make programs. In this case, the library that was used was IOStream. Ignore whitespace. The C++ compiler ignores blank lines. Whitespace doesn't do any harm, it just makes your code readable. Sometimes we could even go crazy with whitespace and the compiler wouldn't care. The main function. Compilers always execute what's in the main function first. The main function is like the first stop for a bus. Print to the screen. The command cout lets you print text to the console really easily. The output is hello world printed to the screen. The return statement. The last instruction in the program is the return statement. The line terminates the main function and causes it to return the value 0 to the calling process. Now for the homework. In the last video, I told you that you will receive homework, so I'll give you some now. I want you to solve the What is C++ and Hello World lessons on Solo Learn. It's really easy to sign up, and it's free. So you shouldn't have really any problems with that. And now one bit more of homework, which is your to-do list. And that is like my videos, subscribe to my channel, share my videos, and have fun watching. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for the next video, and I hope you enjoyed.